Howdy doody, partner. Today on Cooking with Lynja, we're making some good old-fashioned Tennessee pulled pork. The ingredients we need are smoked paprika, light brown sugar, garlic powder, freshly ground black pepper, ground mustard, kosher salt, olive oil, barbecue sauce, chicken stock, and boneless pork shoulder. Oh my God, maybe I got too much pork shoulder. The first thing we have to do is make the dry rub for the pork. In a bowl, we mixed 4 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Now it's time to prepare the pork. We get our 6 pounds of boneless pork, we trim off the fat and cut it into 4-inch cubes. Trust me, they won't be perfect cubes, but that's fine. Then we grab a big bowl and coat the pork in our dry rub. Now we let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Dobby, you can't eat this. This is not for you. Now that it's marinated, we put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan and brown the pork on all sides. Now we grab our Instant Pot and add the pork. We add 2 cups of chicken stock and 1 cup of barbecue sauce and mix. Now we pressure cook the pork for an hour. Smells delicious. Now we take out the pork, leaving the juices, and we saute the juices in the Instant Pot for 10 minutes. While the juices are sauteing, we finally shred the pork. Then we put the pork back in the Instant Pot to soak up all the juices. Lastly, we serve the pork on a bun and add more barbecue sauce. And that's how you make good old-fashioned Tennessee pulled pork. That's good. That's really good.
Dobby, let the guy eat in peace. Come on. Should call it that one.
If you like this video, check out this one and this one. I can't tell which one's better. You decide.
Good work, Mom.